I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper for Wednesday, December 1st. Happy December, everybody. Let's start out with the SPY. Guess what? We had another ginormous dark pool level on it at 464.84. Yeah, 14.5 million. That's two 14 million levels, and we are currently below both of them. All right, this other one was 469.36 and 464.84. So today for the day trade, though, we're going to be bullish above 462.50. We almost tested it a little bit earlier, didn't quite hit it and pull back. So we'll be bullish above it for a retracement trade, and we will be bearish below 459. I wanted to go below the jelly on this 5-minute chart. See this little wick that happened? Yeah, that's just a late market on close print. They do release those after 8 o'clock a lot of times. You'll see the wicks. Let's go to the Russell, the IWM. We had a very large level on that as well, 3.3 million at 222.71. So we're going to be bullish above 225. I just didn't like any levels until we got to that 225. Bear below 221 for the IWM. And see, it just had a wick down. That's, again, another late print from where we closed. Let's head on over to the QQQs. And guess what? We got a big level on the QQQs yesterday, 399.72. We had about 3.9 million in late print. So we're going to be bullish above that, above 400. And we're going to be bearish below 398. All right, let's head on over to the futures and see what's going on there. All right, let me just pop onto the E-minis. We're going to be bullish above 46.25, and we're going to be bear below 46.10 for the E-minis. Let's head on over to the NASDAQ. 16,400. Looks like we tested it, couldn't break above it. That's key level. Bear below 16,250. And let's head on over to the oil futures. Give me a second to just bring them into the screen. All right, here they are. What is oil doing today? Well, let's see. We are up a little bit, 2.5%, but we are pulling back to that person's pivot right now. Today, though, we're going to be bullish above 69.50. And we're going to be bear below 68.50, and we did already trigger that trade. And you can see I wrote retrace to person's pivot. Yeah, so sometimes that happens before the market opens, which is why I post these out. The next entry, though, would be 67.50 to go short if we break below this pivot, heading on short. All right, let's go to the gold futures, see what they're doing right now. All right, gold futures, trying to climb, trying to hold on to this person's pivot. We're going to be bullish above 17.96, bear below 17.78. Pretty wide levels. We haven't pierced them yet. And Bitcoin, what's going on with Bitcoin? Had a pop and drop yesterday. We're going to be bullish above 58,500 and bear below 56,500. All right, so I'm sorry, 56,500. Those are your whispers for those futures. Let's go to individual stocks. Apple was in beast mode. So many of you took this trade yesterday. It was awesome to watch that. Today, 168.50 key level. And we're going to be bearish below 165.80. Yeah, I just didn't really like anything on the downside, so I went pretty low. We'll see if Apple has more oomph in it to take it higher. We'll see. Lucid making the list again, bullish above 54.50, bearish below 53. I'll be honest with you, it was really hard for me to find really good whispers today. Things just weren't sitting in the right place. for the day trade. Yeah, they might line up well for the swing trade tonight, which I'll be teaching today actually in the training pit. Yeah, my secrets to swing trading. So stay tuned for that. 12 o'clock today. Brand new presentation. So Merck, bullish above 79, bear below 76.80. We've already triggered the down trade on this. Yeah, this is a beautiful gap fill trade, which it's doing right now, which is, see why my last target says gap fill? Yeah, whenever they gap it up like that, where are they going to be a gap and go higher or pop and drop? And it looks like the pop and drop one out here. Let's go to the LI. LI Auto is next. Bullish above 38. Coast is clear. Bear below 36.50 for a retracement trade back down to the 4 EMA. AT&T had a massive 18 million market on close print. We also had massive prints on Ford and Verizon, but this had the best day trading setup for today. So bullish above 23.20 and bear below 22.50 for AT&T. We don't normally pay attention to market on close prints, but thanks to Richie who called them out in the training pit, I spotted them and they were quite unusual. All right, XPEV is our next one. Bullish above 57.50 for XPEV and bear below 56.50. Looks like we might test that bearish below level. All right, there you have it. Those are your whispers for Wednesday, December 1st. Until next time, happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Can you keep it? My secret. My secret.